In this third series, where we continue to familiarize ourselves with general Rhino commands, we will look at techniques that will be useful in surface modeling and surface operations. Please always increase your experience by practicing. Let's get started to discuss the surface creation techniques.
One of the surface creation methods is the loft command. How complex or detailed a form we can create depends on the number of sections. We need at least 2 sections for the loft command to work, and we can create a surface with 2 sections, or we can create a more detailed surface with multiple sections.
Another surface creation command is the mesh surface command. It works in a similar way to the loft command. However, it creates a surface that passes through all sections in both X and Y planes. In the loft command, it only passes through sections in the horizontal or vertical direction. In other words, the loft command fits a surface through selected profile curves that define the surface shape in one direction. The network surface command creates a surface from a network structure of intersecting curves. Another command from surface creation techniques is sweep commands. Sweeping means creating a surface by moving a section along a path. Sweep commands take their name according to the path they will follow. If a section is to be moved along one path, it is called sweep 1. If a section is to be moved along 2 paths, it is called sweep 2 rail. With the extrude surface command, a surface can be raised by a specified value in the X, Y, or Z axes. In other words, it can be summarized as raising a surface to the 3rd dimension. Offset surface command can be used to give wall thickness to a surface. The geometry created using this command can be a closed geometry, or it can be an open geometry between 2 surfaces. Match command is a command used to join 2 lines that do not intersect each other. But I want to remember that it should not be confused with the join command. Match surface command is used to join 2 open surfaces. The merge command is the command that combines both lines and surfaces into a single line and surface. The rebuild command is a command that allows both 2-dimensional lines and surfaces to be recreated, that is, drawn. However, the important point here is that it changes the number of control points and the degree of surfaces or lines. The revolve command is used to create an object by rotating a section along an axis by the desired degree. The geometric surfaces or shapes created with this command can provide an easy method for creating some objects. Rail revolve command. Unlike the revolve command, it rotates a section while accepting another section as a path. As a quick reminder, there were commands like connect, fillet, and chamfer that were useful in 2D drawings. These are used to connect intersections to make smooth or angled transitions. The same technique can be applied to surfaces. 2 separate intersecting surfaces can be joined with connect. Edge joints can be softened with the fillet command or chamfered with the chamfer command. Also, if working on 3D geometries, edge versions of the same commands can be used.